Question number 5. A storm broke a tree and the tree top rested 20 meters from the base of the tree, making an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. Find the height of the tree. Now see this here. A storm broke a tree. Now this is height of tree. Total height of tree is AC. Okay. Now this tree breaks at point B, and therefore this tree top that touches or rest at point B on the ground. Now this tree top, see here, tree top that makes an angle of 60 degree, with the horizontal means here 60 degree. Did you get it? Now this is unbroken part of the tree and this is broken part of the tree. Did you get it? Then we will find the length of this unbroken part and length of this broken part. Then we will get height, total height of that tree. Okay. Therefore, we write here first series. Our answer, let this AC represents total height of the tree. AC as well as AB plus BD also represents total height of the tree. Okay. Now series here. Now we don't know AB and BD. So first of all we will find AB and then BD. See here, a storm broke a tree and the tree top rested 20 meter from the base. 20 meter from the base. This is base of the tree and this is the tree top. And this tree top rested here at D. So AD is equal to 20 meter. Now, so we write here AD represents distance between trunk of the tree and tree top or top of the tree. Did you get it? Now, therefore, see this, when this tree breaks, then this way I have shown here, and finally rested at D on the ground. Now, therefore, in right angle triangle ABD. Now, first we will find out AB. Now, see this. This AB is opposite to 60 degree. We know value of angle D, measure of angle D, 60 degree. Then opposite to 60 degree AB and adjacent side of 60 degree, that is AD. So we use trigonometric ratio, that is tan 60. tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side of angle 60 degree upon adjacent side of angle 60 degree. Now value of tan 60 degree, that is square root of 3, is equal to, we don't know AB, we write as it is, upon AD 20 meter. Okay, therefore cross means cross multiplication, we take 20 here, therefore AB is equal to 20 root 20 into root 3 meter. Okay, this is the height of the unbroken part of the tree. Then we will find this BD, that is broken part of the tree. See here, now we know value of this and we want to find BD. Now see this, BD is the hypotenuse because this is right angle. So this is hypotenuse and this is adjacent side of this angle 60 degree. Did you understand? Then we use cos 60. See here, therefore cos 60 degree means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Did you get it? Now value of cos 60 is 1 upon 2 is equal to what is AD? 20 meter upon, we don't know BD. Therefore cross multiplication 1 into BD is equal to 2 into 20 means 40 meter, means length of the broken part of the tree is 40 meter. Therefore total height of the tree total height of the tree series, total height of the tree, we write AC. Okay, AC, that AC, we write AC is the total height of the tree. When this tree top touches to the ground, then instead of C, I have written there D. Did you get it? So we write AC is equal to AB plus BD. So we write here AC is equal to AB plus BD is equal to, what is AB? 20 into root 3 plus BD, value of BD 40, and together we write meter. Therefore total height of the tree is 20 root 3 plus 40 meter or 40 plus 20 root 3 meter.